just got done. I'm in recovery, and apparently the dumpster fire, what were the words?
Hot mess.
Hot mess down there. And so different incisional areas for the robot surgery, and have a binder on right now. I can feel it, it's very tight. A little bit longer recovery for this one. Definitely want to get it done right. Third time's the charm. So I'm going to be a good patient and hopefully not have to go through this many more times, if at all. Oh, what's up, guys? I just got home from the surgery. According to my wife, Dr. T said that everything went good, that he used some new medicine, right? My wife's in the background kind of helping me remember all this. Some new medicine, the wristband.
Yeah, he injected medicine straight into incisions.
There's a medicine that gets injected into the incisions that makes pain a little better. I can tell you right now that I feel like that there's a lot more pain in my lower, where my belt would normally go. I'll show you. Like, here's my jeans, and this is where fat guys always like to put their pants, right here, and tuck their belt. But this whole area under here, which apparently he made incisions there and went in there with the Da Vinci, the robot, went through there. And I don't think I had that last time, but that's painful, and it is considerably painful. Like right now, I can tolerate it, but if I had to give it a number, it's probably a 3.5 to 4. Already took the first oxycodone, and within 3 hours, it's a 6-hour rotation for oxycodone. Within 3 hours, my nurse said that I could take a Valium, which honestly, I'm probably going to take whatever they gave me today, and maybe also tomorrow. But overall, I feel good. My mood's good. I was joking with them like I always do. And pain-wise, the rest of it's not that bad. It's just that little area under the belly fat. I don't know why that one's so painful. Maybe it's because of where he went in. Sounded like it's overall positive. Told my wife the operation was good. Good outcomes are expected. I started stool softener yesterday as the pill form. I started the powder stool softener the day before that. So I've had stool softener and things to help you poop going for at least 2 days. I just put some, what's that powdered stuff called?
Miralax.
I just put some Miralax in my coffee, along with my other supplements and stuff that I put in coffee. I put creatine and stuff like that, collagen. But I'm gonna sip on that. Take it easy. I've already got the bed made in the spare bedroom to help me get up and out of bed, because I need a firmer mattress and I can't sleep on the floor like I've been doing for this. Instructed to not, press, lift anything, be extremely. He actually, from the sounds of it, he thinks this will be a longer recovery time, and probably because, as you guys know, I've had multiple stomach surgeries, and after a while, the tissue starts to become not as easy to use as it was on your first surgery. So I'm going to do everything that he tells me to do, suggests, and be as calm as I can and heal as best I can. I'm not doing a lot of the things that self-destructive behavior that I was back then. I mean, I think I had wine the day after recovery, sent home from the hospital last time. I'm not going to do that. I've been eating easier to process foods. Yesterday was salad, a bag of chips, was the bad. Eggs and potatoes for breakfast, soft eggs. And then for dinner last night, literally I just had a banana. So soft foods. Haven't eaten any solid foods today except for a little bit of Jell-O. Plenty of water. And I'm going to continue soft foods today. I won't have anything harder than Jell-O or scrambled eggs consistency. I think it's going to go well, hopefully. So I'm going to sit down in my favorite easy chair at home. It's nice and slow. I don't need the lumbar thing.
No, that's the one you're supposed to put that on top of your stool.
Yeah. And we've got cold packs to put on the site to try to make the pain a little better. It's definitely doable right now. I don't feel like I'm near a crisis mode. It's just uncomfortable, and there's constant pain at that lower under the belly where we would tighten our belts up on our jeans. So obviously no belts going on. I don't want to ramble. I'm also coming off of anesthesia. So I do feel a little wonky. I feel dizzy. I've got this, let's see if you can see it, patch behind my ear. Is it in the shot? Can you see?
Yeah.
So that patch helps with nausea, apparently. I never had a lot of trouble with nausea post-operations, but just as a precaution, they stick it on there, say leave it on a day or two. It helps with nausea. All of my post-op instructions are for I can shower still. Just don't rub the site, rub the stitches. I have the clear stitches, liquid stitches, glue.
You have glue.
Yeah, I had to bring the wife in because I don't remember any of it, and she's a human memory board. Overall positive. I jokingly gave word to my doctor, 3rd time's the charm, because this is my 4th abdominal surgery. One of them was VSG, and my 3rd hernia surgery. So, I don't want to make a frequent flyer club. I need a punch card. 10th one's free. So that's it. I wanted to give you a quick post-op update and unedited as possible in real time. My hair looks like shit because I literally just got home from the hospital. So anyways, like, share, subscribe. I'll make another update soon. See ya.